What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today we're working on a Nissan Juke. Makes me want to puke. So here we're working on a blower motor. So we're gonna have to remove the glove box. It just has some star screws, so you're gonna need something like this, or you can use a drill, perfectly fine. And as you can see, there's gonna be 1, 2, they are already removed, 3, 4, and then you got 5, 6, 7, 8 on the other side. So once you have that removed, you should be able to remove this console by pulling it forward. Sorry about the compressor. Literally remove with one hand. You can see all the crud. There's a lot of stuff in the blower motor, so I want to replace it because it is loud and obnoxious. So go ahead and remove this connector, and then you can remove the entire glove box. So once I do that, your blower motor's back there. Let me show you. So here we are. This is what it looks like behind your glove box. And if you look at that, the blower motor is right there with the connector above it. So that blue label over here is your blower motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. It's a clip. It's literally clipped in. So you'll clip it in and then twist it, and then you should be able to remove it. So let's go ahead and do that now. And this is why we change our cabin air filters, because once these guys chew through it, they get in your blower motor, and then you start breathing in dead rat. It's freaking great. So if you guys didn't replace your cabin filter before, you should now. Look at that. Guy's been in there for a while. Trash. Okay, so the blower motor is removed, and there was a lot of stuff in there, so I put a vacuum right up here, and then I also vacuum down here where your cabin filter goes. So if you have a filter, or if you remove the blower motor, you should clean out over here as well. So if you have a small enough vacuum to fit in there, go ahead and vacuum any of that stuff out. You're gonna have to remove the filter, which there is one, so just remove it. And it's simply held on by this here. Literally just goes in and clips on. So that's what you do. You take that out and vacuum all that out, because there was a lot of crud and nasty dirt and stuff in there. You don't want to breathe any of that in, and you don't want that flying at your face through the vents. So go ahead and clean that out, and we'll install the new motor, and it'll be all set. All right, so the blower motor is in, and it is very simple to install. You put in the clip. I put in the clip already, but before you put in the clip, you turn it, and it should be facing. Let's see if I can get a better look. So there's a tab at the top. You can see right above that foam. It's gonna face right over here, and then you'll turn it to the left to lock it in place where it locks right there. And then when you go to loosen it, you'll hold this tab down and turn it to the right. But that is plugged in, and you should be able to wiggle this out. You may hit this connector, but do not remove it, because it goes to your airbags, and you don't want any airbag codes or the airbag to deploy. So don't do that unless you have the battery disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes before you disconnect it. Other than that, that is all set, and you have successfully installed your new blower motor, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.